Why is no one talking about this? A completely trending and hidden niche that's blowing up currently. I'm talking about one YouTube channel that's pulling in millions of views just by posting this exact niche, and a TikTok account that gained around 125,000 followers with only 20 uploads. And you won't believe, this niche is even monetized, with one creator easily making around $8,000 every single month. And instead of spending hours creating and editing these videos manually, I'll show you how I did this in just 2 minutes using a completely new AI tool. All you need are right prompts that helps you create a full-fledged channel and drama-filled scripts. And yes, I've already created these prompts for you and I'm giving you guys for free. So watch this video till the end before it gets saturated. Welcome to AI Upskill. Here's what we're going to be creating in this video.
Try not to say the same thing as us.
I bet you can't beat us.
Name something people fake on Instagram.
Their relationship. If you said relationship, you're out. Yeah, we all know you hate each other offline.
Name a job everyone calls stable but actually isn't.
If you said engineer, you're out. Unless you already liked the video.
Name the best corn website.
So here's the 4-step blueprint that makes this stupidly simple. First, we'll use ChatGPT and an AI tool to create our channel name and its logo. Next, I'll show you how to generate spicy and attention-grabbing scripts using my exact prompts that help you stand out from every other channel. Then, we'll use an AI tool to create these videos in minutes. And finally, I'll show you how to monetize fast so you're not waiting months to see results. Trust me, once you see how quick and easy this is, you'll understand why I'm calling this niche a goldmine. Alright, now we need to set up our channel. Because for Faceless YouTube videos, your channel name and logo are your personality. If those two things look simple, people scroll away before you even had a chance to impress them. So instead of sitting for hours trying to come up with one, we'll use ChatGPT. I've created a Google document with every single prompt that I'll be using in this video. It makes the whole process super easy. You'll find it in my Discord's video prompts channel. I'll leave the link to the Discord server in the description below. Just copy the first prompt and paste it into ChatGPT, and in seconds, you'll have a list of unique channel names. Just pick the one that feels right. Now that we have a name, let's create a channel logo. For this, I'm going to use Leonardo AI, but you can use any other image generator tool you prefer. Just copy and paste the second prompt from my prompt document into this box. Just remove this placeholder text and add your channel name that you've selected from ChatGPT. Click on Model and choose Flux Dev. Also, make sure the aspect ratio is 1:1, and simply click Generate. Let's fast forward a bit, and boom, your brand new logo is ready. Just select the one you like. That literally only took 30 seconds. Alright, now comes the most important part of this entire process. The script, or I can say the questions and answers. As most people fail here, because they use boring scripts like pick any car brand and wonder why their videos flop. So to make your video viral, we'll again use ChatGPT and another prompt. Go to the Google Doc I mentioned and simply copy the last prompt, drop it into ChatGPT, then just hit enter. And as you can see, it has generated spicy and even slightly controversial scripts that make people want to argue in the comments. This content is engineered to go viral. And if you're not satisfied with the generated script, simply hit regenerate on the same prompt, and you'll instantly get fresh options. There's no overthinking here, just copy, paste, and watch the algorithm love you. At this point, you could either spend hours manually editing your video, or you could use the same AI tool that saved me hours. I'm talking about Teza AI. It can create viral short videos in minutes, and it also offers a wide range of features. But the one we'll be using today is this one. It's designed specifically for this particular niche. So head over to this tool from the description of this video. Once you've signed up, you'll be brought to this dashboard. Now here's where things get exciting. In the next 3 minutes, you'll see how to create Guess What I'm Thinking videos. But before that, if you're finding this helpful so far, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. I share new AI tools, trending niches, and faceless channel strategies every week. Scroll down and click on this feature. Start by selecting the characters for your video. I'll go with this one. Then you can modify the intro text if you want. This will be narrated in the starting of the video. For now, I'll keep them as it is. Now simply start adding the sets with the following fields. Like the question, its answer, and the spoken answer generated by ChatGPT. You can even enter a text that will be narrated during the timer, like telling the viewers to like or subscribe the channel. And you can even set the difficulty of the questions. So once everything is done, simply click the Add Set button. Now fill in the fields for the second set. You'll have to repeat this process for all the sets generated by ChatGPT. I mean, it's still more easy and quick instead creating and editing everything manually. So once you've added all of your sets, simply click the Move Forward button. From here, you can modify the subtitle styles. Additionally, you can choose a font from the options given, and can add shadows, bold effect, and stroke to it. Now in the video section, you can choose one of the background videos. To avoid copyright issues, Teza also allows you to choose a green screen background to add your own footage later. But as of now, I'm going with Minecraft. Finally, we're all set. Click on the Move Forward button and click Export Video. Teza will start the video generation. So let's fast forward the generation process. And as you can see, our video is ready. Simply click this button to download the video. Here's how it looks.
Try not to say the same thing as us.
I bet you can't beat us.
Name something people fake on dating apps.
Get a free revive by pressing the like button. Their height. If you said height, you're out. Congrats, you're officially 6'2" in the bio and 5'10" in person.
Name a job title people give themselves when they don't actually have a job.
Entrepreneur. If you said that, you're out. We all know you do nothing.
Name a politician everyone pretends to love but secretly hates.
If you said Trump, you're out. Don't act shocked. You know half the internet is already fighting in the comments.
Name the one free thing in life that always ends up costing you money.
Dating. If you said that, you're out. Dinner's on you, by the way.
Name one thing everyone flexes when they finally get rich.
Their car. If you said car, you're out. Flex for a photo, pay for it on installments you'll regret.
Guys, let me know in the comments section. Wasn't the video spicy and attention-grabbing? But wait, posting videos is just the beginning. If you want to maximize your results from day one, here's how you play it smart. Don't just stick to one platform. Post the exact same video on multiple platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. Same content, zero extra work, and you're reaching entirely new audiences on each platform. And remember, the script prompt, which I'm giving you guys, is what makes your videos stand out against 99% of other creators in the space. As it's designed to create scripts on hot topics, pair that with strong channel branding, as your channel name and logo are everything. Trust me, this brings in ad revenue more quickly than a random channel. Additionally, Teza can also help you get more views and subscribers by reviewing your channel. This feature is available for everyone and does not require any subscription. And that's it. We've just created a viral Guess What I'm Thinking video in minutes. This niche won't stay empty forever. It's easy to create, and it's incredibly profitable. And now, you've got the tool, the prompts, and the full blueprint to launch your own channel. So take action now. You can get access to Teza AI from the link below and the free Google Doc with all my prompts from my Discord. And hey, if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to AI Upskill, because next week, I'm dropping another AI niche that's even crazier, and it's something you've never seen before. See you in the next one.
Name the thing everyone pretends they're an expert at after watching one tutorial.
If you said crypto, you're out. You know nothing we all know.